Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can make all the members can't send a message or media in a Telegram group chat. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Telegram application, and then I'm going to open up one of my group chat in Telegram. For example, this one. And then we can click on the three dots and go to the manage group. Okay, and here you can go to the permissions, and we're going to change the permissions for the members. What can members of this group do? And since we want to disable the send messages option and also the send media, we just need to click on this toggle button like this. Okay, after you disable the send messages and send media, all the members in the group chat can't send a message or media. Okay, and then you can add exception if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And then don't forget to click on save. Okay, click on save again. Okay guys, and that's all the way to make all the group members can't send message or media. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.